Why do I have so many clothes?
This is Skylar. She hasn't cleaned out her closet in a year. Maybe today she'll finally get to it.
I think I have a shopping problem. It is the week after Christmas and I just got a ton of new stuff and a ton of new clothes. I'm going to clean up my closet hard. I mean full cuts. Everybody's on the chopping board. Nobody's safe. We're going top to bottom. We're going to clean out my entire closet and my crochet collection because there's so many pieces that I don't even wear from my crochet that are pieces that are so bad that I can't even do anything to salvage them. So I'm going to do that. And honestly, the rest of my room too. Don't think that the rest of my room is going to not make the cut. I'm gonna put all my Christmas decorations up. The new year is coming in hot and this rebrand needs to come in hotter, so we're gonna clear my entire room out. But I've been procrastinating this too long, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So any logical person would say to start by cleaning the room up itself and then getting rid of all of my extra stuff, but I know that my energy level is gonna go from here to here in like 45 minutes. So I've got 1 hour to do all the big heavy hitter stuff and then I can do the other stuff I don't want to do. So I'm gonna clean this closet out first. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna start with all of my jackets first because most of this stuff is jackets and it doesn't even get cold enough for real to be playing with all the jackets that I have. Like some of these gotta go. So for my jeans, I have some here and I have some down here. This is going to be really quick because they either straight up do not fit and they've been itching to go, or they do. Yeah, my jeans are pretty solid. So I don't think this will be very much, but I'm going to try. So I'm going to let these go. That was short. I got rid of 2 pairs. Next, I'm going to do these 2 baskets. And there's also a basket down on the floor too. One of these is my leggings and like my sweatpants. This is overflowing and it's crazy because I have a bunch of these that do not fit me well. And then this is my crochet bucket. Most of those in that second box over there are not gonna go because these are the ones that I want to see. These are the ones that I like to keep in my eyesight so I can wear them because I do wear them often. The ones down here are my ones I don't wear as often and I'm probably gonna get rid of. But most of this stuff is probably gonna go. If it's not in this box, it's probably gonna go. Here is my swim bottom. I was looking for these. I got this new swimsuit and I was literally looking for these bottoms because I found the top but I couldn't find the bottom. These are Dippin' Daisies. Look how freaking cute. I got these, this set, these bottoms $10 and the top $10. $20 for a Dippin' Daisy set when they usually run you like $50. So let's get into this next category. This is my crochet wearables that I wear all the time. These are the cute tops that I make for the summer and stuff like that. This is my Thanksgiving top. It's super cropped, so not a family dinner one, more like a Friendsgiving type of crochet top. This is the filet crochet, the flower, off the shoulder sweater, donate, or like I guess sale. This is a set. This is the skirt. This is the top. Still love it. Keep this. I haven't gotten to really wear yet. It's this little cover up for the beach. I think this will be so cute this summer. Keep. This is my hoodie. I spent so much time on it that I can't frog it. My Olivia Rodrigo jumpsuit. Super special occasion, but has to be a keep. Bigger piece. Keep. This is a little, my first I think ever crochet project. Maybe I should just keep it for like the memories. But is that hoarding? I don't know. Maybe pile. Maybe I should just start storing my pieces in the attic. Is that hoarding? Is that bad? Wait, is this like going back the other way? I feel like that's what this is like because I can't get rid of my pieces. I spend so much time on them. Oh, this is that one that looks like a meatball and I hate it. Donate. This is a beautiful piece. I just never wear it. I don't ever wear it. This one is really cool, I guess, to somebody. This is also really ugly. I don't like this at all. This could totally go in the trash. I don't even know what you do with that. This is my off-the-shoulder sweater that is actually really cute in theory. But it's got a couple of flaws still, even though I did a tutorial on it. The tutorial itself still holds up, like, it makes sense. But it's still not my favorite off-the-shoulder. This isn't even finished. Another one that I made this year. It's okay. I don't care for it. It's a bit short in the sleeves. It could be steamed. It could be better. Another one that I don't care for. This pile got really big really fast. It's a bunch of projects that I just feel like didn't really work up the way that I wanted them to. They're not my favorite. I don't like them. I kind of want them gone. But like I feel like that's kind of like it's hard to give away my crochet stuff. Or like there's some of them in here that are definitely able to be sold. Like they're fine, good quality. But I just don't like them for me, or they don't fit me very well, or I just don't. I made another one, so I don't need two. So some of these could be sold, but I think I'm gonna maybe store these in the attic or something, somewhere where it's like, okay, you still have them. These are your beginner pieces. You know, you came from somewhere. Maybe I'll frog them. Maybe I'll one day make a video where I fix them. I can't get rid of them yet. Not all of them, but most of these I guess are gonna just have to go up in the attic or something. This is my pajama drawer. This is what's actually overflowing most of the time, because whenever my shirts go from being regular day shirts, they become pajama shirts, and then they go to Goodwill. And I don't think I need this many. Let's start by clearing this entire section. Okay, welcome to a new subsection. We're back in the closet area, and I have not one, not two, but 3 of these little buckets, and they're full of a bunch of oh, I don't look at any of this stuff 90% of my time, and I need some more space to put the things that I do use away. It's been a while. Well, it's not been a while. It's been a minute since the last checked in. Don't worry, I am gonna finish this video today. But I ordered some sushi, and I'm gonna take a little snack break. After I eat, I'll be back to work, okay? I can't even lie, I don't even remember what the last thing I said I was gonna do on here to you guys was. Because I'm getting kind of lazy and kind of distracted, I'm gonna do a montage, a really cool montage for you guys. I've done the decluttering, I've done all of that stuff, and now I need to actually pick all the crap off my floor and really clean my room so I can go to bed. Just cue the montage, because I'm tired of talking. as you guys saw, my room is finally clean. It took all day. I don't know, I think I started at like 12 and now it's like 10 p.m. So 10 hours? No way. I did stop and have a sushi break and watch TV for like 4 of those hours, so I can't really say it took me 10 hours, but you know, like a good 6 to clean my entire room and declutter it for the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has a little bit of a different editing style and a little bit of a, I don't know, something new I'm trying. I kind of like it. But with all of that being said, that's all I got for today. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!